Made a comeback to India last September as H-Tech, which is Honor's representative in the country with the Honor 90s launch after 3 years leaving India, and the brand today launched a second smartphone in India dubbed as the Honor X9b. It's powered with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC and comes in a single 8GB 256GB variant. It runs Android 13 based Magic OS 7.2 out of the box, which is very terrible. It's slated to be upgraded to Android 14 Magic OS 8 in H2 2024. Honor has promised 2 years of Android OS updates and 3 years of security patch update. That means you will only get one update, which is Android 15, which should be launching in Google as a beta from today or tomorrow. It has a 6.78 inch 120Hz 1.5K AMOLED curved screen with 1200 nits of brightness. They call the display Ultra Bounce Anti-Drop Display as it has shock absorbing material that forms a protective structure offering drop resistance up to 1.5 meter. It has a 16 megapixel center punch hole camera and fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. On the back, you get a circular island housing 3 cameras, which is a 108 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is rubbish, and a 2 megapixel even more rubbish macro camera. The rear panel of sunset orange version uses eco-friendly vegan leather to promote sustainability. It gets IP53 rating and it's packed with 5800 milliampere with 35 watt charging. The power adapter, which is $9, won't be included in the box, but Honor is claiming they will sell it outside the box with no additional charges. The phone is coming in 2 colors, which is midnight black and sunrise orange. It's priced at 25,999 rupees or $315 and will go on sale starting February 16th to Honor's official Indian website, Amazon.in and mainline stores. Honor also launched Honor Choice Watch in India today. It has a 1.95 inch 2.5D curved always-on AMOLED display with 502x410 pixel resolution and 550 nits of peak brightness. It has a metallic textured body which comes in 2 variants, which is silicone and braided. It is designed for 20mm lug widths and it's compatible with alternative straps of the same width from the market. It comes with the usual slew of health and fitness features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, blood oxygen level monitoring. It supports 120 workout modes and self-recognition for walking, running, cycling and rowing. It has 5 ATM water resistant Bluetooth calling, customized watch faces and support for 5 satellite positioning systems, which does not include India's NAVIC. H-Tech said because NAVIC IC does not have enough coverage at the moment. It comes with Bluetooth 5.3, it has 300 mAh battery, advertised to 12 days of endurance. It is compatible with Android and iOS and will be offered in 2 colors. It's priced at around 6,499 Indian rupees or $78, but early adopters can get it for around 500 rupees less. Sales start from February 24th. They even launched a new earbud known as Honor Choice Earbud X5 TWS. It has 10mm driver, it has ANC, which claims to reduce noise by 30 dB. It comes with dual mic for environmental noise cancellation during calls. It has Bluetooth 5.3 touch controls, IP54 rating, 120Hz ms latency. It supports SBC and AAC codecs, and you get up to 9 hours of continuous playback or 18 hours of calling on a single charge. When paired with the charging case, you get up to 35 hours of battery life. It comes in one color, that is white, and the pricing is around 2,000 Indian rupees or $24, and it will be available for sale from February 16th.